guess I'm too early to be back here. Coming soon. It's that location right there downstairs, well lit on the first floor. I guess I'm a little too early for the sunrise. Make lemonade, right? Yeah, because I spot the Christmas light from the back side of the street yesterday. This one right here. That's a beautiful shot too right there. It's worth its weight in gold. That's pretty cute. Saw Nemo have their office over here. I thought it was like a hotel, but it seems like they have a section of it where they have their office. Pretty cool construction supply store right there downstairs. Someone asked about the last time where I had the soup, the hot sauce. This is the location right there. Grocery store right there. The sunset is capturing the sunrise, not sunset, capturing the sunrise. That's a bus. Failed attempt. Alright. So we got quite a bit of flooring joists. Knocked out from yesterday. So the huge stack of lumber that was here got turned into flooring joists. And we did some more fire blocking yesterday morning on the walls, beef it up. Both section, both rooms. I might just have to move through slowly today and move in and just check here and there and tweak it here and there to get it properly secured, and can start running the flooring joists. Normally I'm on point. I messed up and put all that material on top of the extension cord, so we had to leave that on deck. These will be, some of these will get consumed and used for fire blocking, securing the joists in their proper location and spot. And then some will be used in different parts of the job, rafters and stuff like that, ceiling joists. This is our second stack. This stack we're going to pull and put that up in this room right here. Bicycle is a major way how to travel to and fro, and I saw someone today for the first time. I've seen him around moving on his bicycle before in the past, but I actually saw him this morning in, I think it's a subdivision called San Pablo. He rode his bicycle from much farther south. I can't really say how much farther he's coming from, but I just saw him up here a few minutes ago, and he's continue riding. So more than likely he's going across the Boca del Rio bridge and continue going north. So he's traveling south to north on a bicycle. That's pretty cool and awesome. He just popped up again today too. I mean, right now he just showed up again. So they're still napping, so I'm just being patient today and waiting. Yesterday I woke him up too early, so I'm buying my time. Yeah, it's pretty a popular way how to get around the island on bicycles. It's pretty popular. Some guys even use it to transport goods. Turn their bicycle into a mobile delivery bike where they load it up with stuff and deliver and go around selling stuff on it as well. So the Christmas light you're seeing here is from the main road on the other side. I was just trying to capture the sunset. It looked like the sun is gonna come out a little bit later. It's look like it's gonna pop out and peer through the clouds after 6 a.m. Yesterday it was before. So yesterday this wall, I highlighted that this wall had a lot of bunks in it. It does in both sections. We eliminate most of it. So we're about 90%, probably more than 90. Just trying to be generous. Make sure you hydrate. I haven't drank any water for today and I've been up for a couple hours. So I'm about to finish this off and top it off and fill it up. Remember to hydrate. Get fluids in you. That's a beautiful shot right there. Love it. It holds just over a gallon, depending on the size of the gallon, because gallon vary. 1 gallon that I've dumped in it before wasn't full enough. It didn't have enough to fill it up, and then another one had it to where it filled it right up to the brim. So it varies. Remember to hydrate. Get coconut water in you. When you're doing construction work or anything that's strenuous and it stress out your muscles and your body to the extreme. Get some guava juice. Even if you can't get the juice, get the fruit, eat it. Get some bananas and stuff in you. That stuff helps. Banana juice as well. Soursop, especially if you're in Central America and in Belize, in the great nation of Belize. Get in there and drink some of the local juice. Alright, hydrate. I highly recommend you guys check out the stores and get your local juice first before you're drinking sodas. Remember, when you drink 1 Coca-Cola, it takes minimum 4 8-ounce glass of water to help flush that out of your system and help to detox and clean out your liver, your kidneys. Alright, perfect example of the bicycle right there. When I was a kid, I had to do that, transport onions, flour, sugar and other products on a bicycle from the heart of Santa Elena to Red Creek. This older lady said it might rain today. Wow, again, because it rained yesterday too. So it's clearing up. Made a makeshift jig right here to help stabilize them for the few hours that they were just going to be sitting here. So we work for like, shares, comments, and hypes. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for keep on watching and viewing the channel as well. Greatly appreciated. And to all those who's been messaging in the comment section saying happy holiday season, end of season greeting year, wishes and stuff like that, right back at you. Thank you. Greatly appreciated. Take care and have a great year. Know that this one will be even better. Keep on making lemonade. Over and out. Empower by Roots Work.